Your question about what do you do? The reason why I think that it's a bad time to be a computer scientist or a programmer is because it's hard to get your 10,000 hours doing development when you're using AI tools. There's a difference between someone who may have experience being able to use this as a tool versus what I'm finding with fresh out of college kids who are using it as a crutch. It's a complicated thing that I know a lot of universities I've talked to are still trying to figure out. How do you make this difference? How do you teach in this age? We haven't figured it out. It's just too early. What I am seeing is that sometimes the way that we define ourselves, say as a programmer or as a writer, aren't necessarily the definitions of the thing that you do. They're not the value you add. As a programmer, I consider myself to be a very good problem solver, and as an architect. So saying that I write code is not necessarily the thing that's the most important, it's the problem solving that's important. And if I think of it in that way, then I can start to see how I use AI to do the end product. When you talk about good writing, maybe it's not about the words, it's about the storytelling. The reporting and the in-depth interviews, the work that was done to get the story out there. Maybe we have to start thinking about not the end result as the thing that we're actually doing, but as something that's higher up the pipeline to rethink this approach. And I think that's where those jobs and opportunities are. I'll end, because I say this in my book, The AI Evolution. Every person who I know at some point has said, if I could stop doing X and I could focus my time on Y, I can unlock whatever. I'm telling you that right now, there's a technology that says it's going to do X. The question is there enough Y for you to do to unlock all that you've been talking about all the time? And if there is, unlock all that potential.